Should we be taking pictures and videos of the Northern Lights and posting them on social media? I've honestly heard different Native people giving very wildly different perspectives on this and thought it might be helpful to share a few things just to help people figure out what they want to do. First of all, this is not a topic that our ancestors ever had to deal with. The internet was invented in the middle of the 1990s. So it's not the case that our great grandparents had a rule book about taking pictures or videos of the Northern Lights or not, and they certainly didn't have a rule book about social media because that's a very recent invention. What I can say, and I say this as somebody, from an Ojibwe perspective, is that we do have some teachings about the Northern Lights. One of them is that the Northern Lights represent the spirits of our departed ancestors dancing with one another in the night. And that daytime, for those of us who are alive, is kind of like nighttime for the departed, and vice versa. So, nighttime for us is like daytime for them. And that this is just our ancestors dancing with one another. Things that involve our departed ancestors can be sensitive for some folks. And we do have a few other teachings, like, for example, when we have a traditional wake, sometimes people will cover the mirror. There's some teachings about taking off your glasses when you come up to view somebody at the casket after they've passed away. And those teachings are more about the departing soul being able to see themselves in the reflection of the mirror or the glasses, and that could be emotionally disturbing for the person who's departing. So there are a few ground rules about that. And I think some of that may have influenced the way some people view the Northern Lights and if they should be photographed and videoed or shared on social media or not. That somehow it might be exposing something sacred. In my view, I really don't think the Great Spirit is sitting in judgment of all of us pitiful humans. If anything, it takes a lot of ceremony and effort to get the attention of the Great Spirit on all of our worthy requests for healing and everything else. So I really don't think we are likely to be offending our Creator or the helping spirits around them or the souls of our departed ancestors who frankly love us and want us to have long, healthy, happy lives until we join them. So I don't think there's an issue of spiritual judgment or spiritual wrongdoing or offense. That said, humans are a lot tougher to please than spirits. And there is a chance that you might ruffle the feathers of one of your fellow Native people. So to me, the decision about should we take pictures of this, should we post them on social media, is really less about an issue of, some sort of spiritual trespass and one of, do we want to take the chances of upsetting someone or not? And so I guess for the most part, have not been sharing things on social media, and it's not because I think there's anything really capital W wrong with that, and more just want to tread lightly on my fellow natives. Thanks so much for watching today. Miigwech.